Welcome to Unreal Science. Today we are diving into one of the most terrifying mysteries in the universe, black holes. Some scientists even call them a real warning for the future of our cosmos. Let's explore why.
Black holes, the most mysterious, terrifying, and fascinating objects in the universe. For decades, scientists have tried to understand them, and every new discovery seems to reveal that reality is even stranger than we thought. A black hole is not just a star that has collapsed. It is a place where space and time themselves break down. A place where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. And for many scientists, black holes are more than just curiosities. They are warnings. Warnings about the limits of our universe, the dangers hidden in the cosmos, and perhaps even clues about how everything could one day end. So what exactly is a black hole? And why do some scientists say it represents a real warning for the future of our galaxy and for us? Let's dive deep into the science, the mysteries, and the possibilities. A black hole begins when a massive star, many times larger than our sun, runs out of fuel. Without the energy to resist its own gravity, it collapses inward. The collapse is so complete that the matter of the star is crushed into an unimaginably small point of infinite density. This point is called a singularity. Around it lies the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can return. Anything that passes this invisible line is lost forever. But black holes are not all the same. Astronomers know of several categories: stellar mass black holes, which form from collapsed stars; intermediate black holes, which may form from the collision of many smaller ones; and supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times the mass of our sun, that sit at the center of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. At the heart of our galaxy, there is one such monster, Sagittarius A star, 4 million times the mass of the sun, hidden behind clouds of dust, silently shaping the orbits of stars and gas. It is both a creator, giving the Milky Way its structure, and a destroyer, swallowing anything that dares to venture too close. So why are black holes considered cosmic warnings? Because their very existence shows us the extreme dangers built into the universe itself. The first warning is their sheer power. Black holes can drain the life from galaxies. Stars that wander too near are torn apart, their matter stretched into long ribbons in a process called spaghettification. That material spirals into the black hole, heating up and releasing deadly radiation. If Earth were anywhere close to such a process, the energy would sterilize our planet instantly. The second warning is time itself. Near a black hole, time slows to a crawl. For an observer far away, someone falling into a black hole would appear to freeze at the event horizon, never quite crossing. But for the falling observer, time continues normally, until they are crushed into the singularity. This paradox shows us that our understanding of physics is incomplete. Space and time, which we experience as stable and continuous, are fragile and can be warped to breaking point. The third warning comes from the enormous jets of energy that some black holes unleash. Quasars powered by supermassive black holes shine brighter than entire galaxies. These jets, moving at nearly the speed of light, pour deadly radiation into space, making vast regions uninhabitable. For any civilization unlucky enough to be nearby, it is an apocalypse written into the fabric of the cosmos. And then there are gravitational waves. When two black holes collide, the violence of their merger is so intense that it shakes the universe itself. These ripples in space-time were first detected in 2015, confirming Einstein's predictions from a century earlier. Each detection reminds us that the universe is not calm and empty, but active, violent, and unpredictable. But perhaps the greatest warning is this: we still do not understand what truly happens inside a black hole. When matter crosses the event horizon, where does the information go? Physics says information cannot be destroyed, but black holes seem to erase it. This is known as the black hole information paradox. Some theories suggest that information is stored on the surface of the event horizon. Others propose that black holes might lead to new universes, or that they are gateways in the fabric of space-time. Each idea is more mind-bending than the last, and each one tells us that our picture of reality is incomplete. Recent discoveries have made black holes even stranger. Astronomers have found evidence of wandering black holes, moving alone between galaxies, invisible until their gravity betrays them. Imagine a rogue black hole drifting silently through intergalactic space, eventually passing near our solar system. Even a relatively small one would be catastrophic, disturbing the orbits of planets, flinging worlds into darkness, and tearing apart anything in its path. And then there are the giants. The largest black holes ever discovered are tens of billions of times the mass of the Sun. These monsters could swallow our entire solar system without noticing. How do they grow so large? Did they form in the early universe, when matter was denser? Or are they the result of countless mergers over billions of years? These are questions we still cannot answer. Speculation only makes the picture more haunting. What if a black hole passed through our neighborhood of the galaxy? Could Earth survive? The answer is almost certainly no. Even without being swallowed, the gravitational disturbances alone would be devastating. What if, in the far future, black holes consume all the matter in the universe? Some theories of cosmic fate suggest that as stars die, only black holes will remain, slowly evaporating over unimaginable timescales through a process called Hawking radiation. Billions upon billions of years from now, the last flickers of the last black holes may signal the end of everything. So when scientists say that black holes are warnings, they mean several things. They warn us that the universe is far more violent and unstable than our daily lives suggest. They warn us that our physics is incomplete and that the laws we believe to be universal may break down in the most extreme conditions. And they warn us that we are fragile, living on a small planet, orbiting an ordinary star, in a galaxy dominated by a black hole millions of times more massive than the Sun. But black holes are not only destroyers, they may also be essential to creation. By swallowing gas and dust, they regulate star formation. By anchoring galaxies, they give structure to the cosmos. And by challenging our understanding, they push science forward. Every time we learn something new about black holes, we learn something new about reality itself. In the end, black holes embody both the terror and the wonder of the universe. They remind us that the cosmos is not built for our comfort, but for its own strange rules. They remind us that discovery is always waiting at the edge of what we know. And they remind us that sometimes the greatest mysteries are also the greatest warnings. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there, silent, invisible, and powerful beyond imagination, a black hole is waiting, not to scare us, but to challenge us to keep asking questions, to keep exploring, and to keep pushing against the limits of our knowledge. And that, perhaps, is the real warning. Not that the universe is dangerous, but that it is stranger than we can imagine.